Welcome back to another technical video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution you need. Guys, remember, stay just a little bit crazy, just like me, and hopefully you get through that resolution. So let's continue on. And that's it, guys. I hope the video helped find the resolution that you're looking for and you got the answer and worked your way through. If it did, please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until the next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one.